Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home, obeying your parents, because this first chapter is related to obedience only. Beta, obedience means to follow the rule. And right now we are having too many rules. Rules at school, rules at home, rules on the road, some rules related to Corona, COVID-19. So, and we have to follow the rules. Why we have to follow the rules? Because rules are made for our safety right now. Okay? Now see obedience. To obey means to follow the rules. You obey the rules even when no one is watching. Because these rules are made only to guide you and protect you. See, here is also rule not to waste the water, not to waste electricity, not to pollute the air. This is our social rule. And here is a story related to the obedience only of a bird and her 3 little babies. Mother bird has told her 3 little babies not to go near the naughty cat if she is not at home. While going out, she was explaining her children not to go near the naughty cat because he was dangerous for them. Now, next in the next picture, you will see this cat. How he's licking out his tongue, watching the 3 babies and telling them, attracting them towards him, that you lovely little sparrows, I'm so happy to see you. Why don't you come down to play with me? And when the sparrow child told that no, our mother has advised not to go near you, then cat is telling that I just want to play with you. It's no fun playing alone. And both the eldest 2 sparrows refused to leave the nest, but youngest sparrow had another thought. He just wants to play with us. There is no harm in that. And my dear, it is true that there is no fun playing alone. We want to stay with our friends, our parents, our brothers, sisters. No one wants to stay alone. But here, see, the cat is licking his tongue, means he was very greedy. He wanted to eat the child. Baby sparrows. Now here, see what is happening. The cat is down on the floor, and both the eldest sparrow has told that no, we should not play with the cat, and mother is not here now, and youngest baby sparrow is telling that I am going to show you what a nice animal Mr. Cat is. And he flew down and sat close to the cat. His claws, means the feet, had barely touched the ground when the cat leapt on him and caught him captive. What a lovely dinner, yum, yum, said the cat. Cat was willing to eat the baby sparrow, and after catching the baby sparrow, cat is telling, what a lovely dinner, yummy, yum. When we get very tasty thing, we tell that it is very yummy. Now see, as the cat has caught, according to the picture, as the cat has caught the baby sparrow, at that time only the mother sparrow came. And what happened? Watching this, mother sparrow picked and poked to the cat until he left the baby sparrow. And then what happened? They quickly flew to the nest on the treetop. And after happening all these things, the baby sparrow felt sorry for not obeying his mother, and he had learnt a very good lesson of obedience. So my dear, if our parents are telling not to do something, might be there is some reason, so we should always obey our parents, our elders, our teachers, because obedience is an act of faith. If we believe, if we are having trust on our parents, our teachers, our friends, we definitely obey them. and disobedience is the result of unbelief. Now here are some question answers, and you have to write it in your copy. First question is, who said, "What a lovely dinner, yum yum"? And who told, my dear? Told Mr. Cat. And to whom Mr. Cat told? To the youngest, to himself only. When he caught the youngest baby sparrow, he was talking to himself. What a lovely dinner, yummy, yum. We will go to the next question. See here. By obeying our parents, what do we learn? And by obeying our parents, we learn the difference between good and bad deeds. Because you will later, if your parents have told you something to do right now, you will later feel it, that why my parents told me. Because we realize the thing, but it takes time for us to understand the thing. So my dear, it is very important to obey our parents. What did the cat want to do with the baby sparrow? And what did the cat wanted to do with the baby sparrow? To play with the baby sparrow? No. The cat wanted to eat the baby sparrow. The cat was not friendly. He was not willing to play with the baby sparrow. He just wanted, anyhow the baby sparrow should come to me. I should catch it and eat it. Now here is the next question. Who is the knower, the sustainer, the owner? Means who knows everything, who does everything, and who is present everywhere. And none other than God. So in the place of who, you will write God. And wait, 1 second. In the place of who, we will write God, and we will copy the whole question. God is the knower, the sustainer, the omnipotent. That's why, my dear, we should develop the habit of praying to God 2 times. Early in the morning when we wake up, and at night while going to the bed. Early in the morning, we ask God to give us strength, to give us power, to give us dignity, and to show us the right path, to protect us. And at night while going to the bed, we should definitely say thank you to God for blessing us with good parents, teachers, friends, and making our day a beautiful day, a good day. So prayer is very important in our life, my dear, and we should develop the habit of praying to God 2 times, in the morning and at night while going to the bed. When you are coming to school early in the morning, you are doing prayer, pledge, national anthem, and this prayer helps us the whole day in our work. What is the meaning of refused? And the meaning of refuse is to say no. To say no to anyone. Or word meaning if denied. Suppose you are asking me a pencil or you are asking me a question. I can refuse you to give the answer or the pencil. So refuse means denied. How the bird refused. The two elder birds told, sparrows told cat that no, my mother have not told, I won't go to you. So they refused. So they denied to go with the cat. Now I am going to the next question. How does God send his teachings? And my dear, God sends his teachings through divine teachers. God sends his teachings, send will become sense, and through divine teachers we will add. Who are divine teachers? Jesus Christ, Gautam Buddha, Mahavir, Jain, Baha'u'llah. These are the divine teachers. Whenever people are in trouble on the earth, they come us, they give us many good lessons, and they work till people are able to follow them. And these divine teachers teaches us only good things, to behave others with love and affection, and they make our life smooth. So God sends His teachings through divine teachers. Now my dear, you will write SW and date in good handwriting. You will do your work very nicely, in neat and clean way. And the most important thing, please obey your parents. Please obey all the rules and the corona guidelines also. Then only we will be able to meet together in the school. This school doesn't look nice without you all. This is a building only without you. And when you all will come, we teachers and children will assemble together, then only it will be a school. Thank you, children. Hope you all understand these things.